Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing a quick and easy installation video on the MRI-333MX 4-zone temperature and humidity station. The system comes with one monitor and 3 remote sensors. The system does require batteries, but are not included. The monitor requires 2 AAA batteries, and each remote sensor requires 2 AA batteries. So let's get started. First, we're going to remove the screen protector from the monitor. We want to ensure that we can see the proper display once the batteries are installed. For quick installation, I've already installed 1 battery into the monitor and 1 battery into each remote sensor. We also want to ensure that each remote sensor is on its own individual channel. So channel 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to install the final battery into the monitor, which then lights up the display. We then install 1 battery into the first remote sensor. You will see it flash and sync to the monitor. Then install the next battery into the next remote sensor. Again, the light will flash and you will see on the display the temperature and humidity. And finally, we're going to do the last remote sensor, again with the flash, and you will see all 3 channels are now showing on the display. All you'll have to do now is set up the time and the date and you're all set. Thank you for watching.